Hi, so there's a lot of buzz around you about something trending called the NFT, and you wonder what it is? Then watch this video to find out more about it. Let's begin. John is a very talented, enthusiastic, and enterprising artist, and he wishes to display his digital paintings on an online art gallery. The problem is that displaying this artwork online for all the public would be insecure. It might lead to online theft. Viewers will be able to create screenshots or reproduce the same paintings after viewing them online. John is not going to like this one bit. He wonders what to do. He tries to find a solution for this problem and comes across a new concept known as NFT. He discovers that using an NFT can make his work a lot easier by making it more trusted and certified, maintaining the rights of ownership, and making it transferable. John feels inspired by this new concept and does some research. He wants to know what the buzz is all about. What is NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. But what does that even mean? Well, before I can explain what non-fungible means, let's dive into the definition of fungible. Fungible. It describes a good that can be easily swapped or interchanged for another good within the same asset class. For example, if I swap your $100 for my five $20 bills, you likely won't think that it's unfair because they have the same value. The US dollar is fungible. Some other examples of fungible items include gold and Bitcoin. Fungible can be further classified into physical and digital categories. Non-fungible. Non-fungible, on the other hand, describes a one-of-a-kind, unique good that cannot be readily exchanged for another good. For example, your mother gifted your daughter with a gold ring when she was born. Do you think it is tradable for any other gold ring? It isn't, because the emotions and memories involved with your mother's ring makes it priceless and non-tradable. Some examples include diamonds because of their unique cuts, or video games. Once again, non-fungible can also be divided into physical and digital categories. How NFT works. NFT turns your assets uncommon. It means making your assets rare by creating a digital signature for it. It proves that you are its only rightful owner, and it can also be easily sold and bought for money. NFT is like a digital certificate stored on a blockchain. It is stored in the form of letters and numbers as a code on the block. This requires that the information must be original and verified, containing the information about any item's buyer and seller, along with other important information which cannot be altered. This ensures that fabrication is prevented. NFT is based majorly on Ethereum technology. It is also a decentralized database system to store all transactions in a coded form. The NFT is a unique token because of its unique code. An NFT is a token which is unique and does not have any other equivalent form. If traded for any other thing, the NFT token will be completely changed. unlike the Ethereum, which can be traded for any other equivalent item, hence being fungible. CryptoKitties, an application of NFT. CryptoKitties is a game based on digital collectible cats in the form of non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The player can buy, collect, breed, and sell these virtual cats and can also earn money from them. Each CryptoKitty is unique, cannot be replicated, and allows the user to be the sole owner. Each cat has its own cattributes, meaning unique eyes, color, and much more. To play this game, you need to purchase a CryptoKitty and own its relative NFT. To earn higher money, your kitty needs to possess rare cattributes. The more attractive and unique your kitten is, the higher it sells and makes more money through game playing. This is how NFTs are used for leisure. So here's a little question for all of you. Be sure to put your answers in the comments. Which of these is a non-fungible item? A. Oil. B. Gold. C. Domain name. D. Currency. Some other examples of NFT are a unique digital artwork, licensing and certification, digital collectibles, a ticket that gives you access to an event or a coupon. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.